How to log in or sign up to Life360. Hey everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can log in or sign up to Life360. So if you want to log in or sign up to your Life360 app, you have to follow this step. So first of all, you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store, and on the search bar you have to search for the Life360. So here you have to install the Life360 app, which is a live location sharing app. You have to go for the open option. Once you have opened up the app, here you can share your location with your family in a real time, and you can coordinate easily with the smart notification and encourage the safer driving with reports on speed texting and more. So if you have already an account, you can go for the sign in option, and you have to type up your number here, and also you can go for the sign up with your email here. So if you don't have account, then go for the get started, and you have to write your number here. Once you have write your number, you have to go for the continue option, and you have to click on the continue option, and you have to write your name here and your last name, and go for the continue option, and you can add your email address and go for the continue option, and you have to add and create the password here, which is at least 8 character, letter, number and special characteristic. And once you have created the password, you have to go for the continue option here, and you have to continue login with your account on your Life360. So after that, you can also save the password to your Google. So here you have to provide your birthday here. So you have to write your birth date here. Once you are done, go for the continue option and click on the confirm. So joining our circle, you have to enter the invitation code. So you may need to ask the circle creator for the code. So if you don't have a quick code, then you have to go for the create a new circle and go for the continue option, and you can share a code, and you can copy this code here. So if you here you can see that. After that, so how would you describe your role in this circle? And go and select here, and you can add your photo and skip your photo here, and you can enable your location, and you have to grant the permission here, and go for the enable option here, and go for the continue option and click on the continue option here. So here you can see that you can add your home and go for the save option here. So also you can add the another there, and also you can purchase the premium here. So here you can see that you have been successfully logging and sign up to the Life360 app. So here you can see your safety, driving, and also you can purchase the membership. So with the help of this video, you will log in or sign up to your Life360 app. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.